What you doing, big man, huh? There you go. You ready? Pretty big stick. No? Want me to throw your little one? You seem to really like this little one. Oh, you passed it. Hunter. Alright, go for the big one. Good boy. Good boy. The big stick. Good boy. Do you want to go get your little one? Go get your little stick. Go get the other stick. Wrong one. You got that one too, though. I gotta drop it. Go get the other stick, Hunter. Oh, making me all wet. Go get that stick. Hunter. Go get it. It's out there. There you go. Go get it. Get that stick. Go get it. He doesn't see it. Poor little guy. You don't see your favorite stick? There you go. You found it. Good boy. Oh, it's a good boy. You sound tired. Yeah, please don't shake right here. Nice pile of sticks you got going here. Little big guy, huh? Yeah. Come on, Shelby. Quit eating grass.